If you love amazing deep ocean car restoration videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the next restoration journey.
All right, Project Sally coordinates confirmed. Claw is armed and ready for deployment. Crane op, lift on my mark. Systems check nominal, ready to dive. Confirmed, the fender insignia is visible. Brushing sediment from the mouth area now. The windshield eyes are intact. With the chains secured, the recovery vessel applies tension, initiating the slow ascent from the deep.
All right, we're almost on the deck. Guide it down gently. Watching the front clearance. Easy, easy.
The recovered Sally Carrera shows the harsh reality of deep-sea exposure. Heavy surface rust and
To access the climate control systems, the entire dashboard assembly is delicately moved forward, revealing decades of intricate wiring and factory supports.
Okay, hit it again. Harder this time. It's moving now. Stand clear when it drops.
Precision is key when seating the crank. Watch the alignment on number 3. Looks good, let's get the torque wrench.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the mounts. Tension is good. Looks aligned. Okay, secure the bolts.